The sale price of this business has dropped 50% since May. It was originally listed at 1.3 million and now it's sitting at 700K. And the reason is a sneaky acronym that some business brokers love to use, PBITA. But to understand that, you first have to understand EBITDA, which is based off. EBITDA stands for earnings, which is what is left after your expenses and cost of sales, before interest that you've paid, taxes, depreciation, which is the wear and tear on the business's physical assets, and amortization, which is the reducing of value of the business's intangible assets. EBITDA shows how much profit the business actually makes. PBITA is a made-up term by brokers. The P stands for proprietor, which means they add back the owner's salary to the profit to justify a higher sale price. Now back to the listing. The broker says the business has 2 million in revenue, 700K in PBITA, and 500K in assets. So why is it now listed at 700K? Well, number one, the banks don't fall for PBITA. If a buyer goes for a loan, the bank is going to include the owner's salary in the expenses when they're going to calculate their own valuation. Then they'll lend up to 2.5 multiple on that profit. If the real profit is nowhere near 700K, no buyer is going to be able to borrow enough to justify an inflated sale price. Number two, there are probably multiple owners taking money out of the business. A 50% price drop is a huge clue that the real profit is much less than 700K. And in businesses like this, it's super common that there's either multiple owners or family members working in the business and drawing wages. So when you add up all the labor that the owners do, the profits really shrink. The bank might only value the business at 500 to 700K, which is a massive problem if the owner wants to retire. At 500K, most owners in this situation won't sell their business because that's what they're already taking home each year, unless they're being forced to sell due to life circumstances. This shows us the seller is probably very motivated to sell. And when selling your business, this is the exact situation you want to avoid. It's why exit planning matters. You don't want to find out that your business is worth half of what you hoped it would be right at the time that you're being forced to sell it.